Today, I think everybody thinks they know this stuff. All right, so I'm Wes. I'm dancing with Allison. This is Electric Cowboy in Louisville, and this is the first lesson tonight on Sunday night at the 6:30. So we did a little bit of fundamental thing. We worked on our connection, and we worked on our wheels, and we talked about the relationship between the two and how to be smooth. We worked that. I won't go over all that. So then we did just some spinning drills a little bit. We did we took a right to her left hand. And we talked about prepping and connection in the body to cause it to prep, and then spinning her by, da, da, da. We talked about the fact that I can determine how fast that spin is by the prep and by the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I cause that. She didn't get to decide. Or I can cause a triple step turn. I can make it 1, 2, a little more juice. She'll do a triple step turn, right? And then we did a turning pass by stepping off to the left. It's a turning, inside turning, right side pass. 1 prep, 2 turn, 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. That's one of the more less effective leads that I see in the room here sometimes. And then we did very well with that, by the way. And then I did a turning left pass, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. That's what we did, guys. Thank you so much. We'll be back in a couple of songs. Have a lot of fun. Get to the bar. We'll see you in a minute.